Our patented self-cleaning suction screen, SCS2, is used on pump suction lines and on effluent pipelines. It keeps debris out of a pipeline. It features a fixed cylinder screen with rotating spray bars inside. Liquid passes through the cylindrical screen to its closed interior, which is connected to a pipe. The internal rotating back spraying bars push off debris collected on the screen's exterior. Spray bar rotation is provided by pressurized water. Innovative fixed rings of fins inside the cylindrical screen are impacted by nozzle jet streams from the spray bars that cause a reactionary force. This positive rotational force is accomplished at a relatively low liquid pressure. The rotational nozzles are at the ends of the spray bars, with screen cleaning nozzles along the remaining length. Placed very close to the screen and perpendicular thereto, these nozzles are very effective screen cleaners. The SCS2 has a very sturdy substructure called a birdcage, which is double epoxy coated for many years of submerged service. All rotation parts are non-furrows. Cataloged in numerous sizes from 100 gallons per minute to 8,500 gallons per minute, we have built up to 15,000 gallons per minute. Can be made of aluminum or all stainless steel. Useful in seawater applications. May be installed in any position. Meets federal and state fisheries requirements. Each SCS2 must meet in-water test criteria standards before it is shipped. This record is filed for each unit. We also make a version of the SCS2 for submergible pumps.